Welcome to the Twisted Sister March 2022 Hop, and here is the In Full Bloom paper collection, and I am going to twist from the digital collection. I actually end up twisting the card kit too, but my focus is the Edison bulbs. So I did this printout from Cricut so that you can see on the right is how the Edison bulb comes in the digital collection, and then on the left of that I'm showing you that you can make ice cream cones or push pops out of them. So here are how the cuts come off of the machine, and all you need to do is to cut off the filament from the Edison bulb and cut off the bottom of the light bulb, add a cherry on the top, and voila, you have an ice cream treat. And then for the cherry, I just wanted to show you, if you go back and look at that first screen, you'll see the cherry is two circles overlapped with an oval put on top of it. You weld all that together, and that gives you your kind of lopsided cherry. Just hand cut a sliver of a curve and you have your stem for your cherry on top of your ice cream. But as I was looking at this stamp of the month, actually Julie Scott did this really cute dog card, and it just got me thinking. And then I received my card kit and I noticed that it also had the Edison bulb in it. So I was kind of searching for inspiration, so I went to my Love of Color book, and I'm using that card as kind of a sketch, let's say. And I have my card, the first card, my sample, hidden because I don't want to show you my reveal yet. But these pieces are, the sapphire card is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. The Capri, which is the lighter blue, is 3 by 4 3/4. Then the composition notebook paper is 2 by 3, with the white daisy being 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. So then I roughed up all the edges with the edge distressor. You can use that with scissors, or Jessica Dupinski in her twisted video gives you another option for that. So be sure to go check that out. And then through the beauty of video editing, I took my Capri paper and ran it through an embossing folder, so it now has a flower background. This grid paper is 4 1/4 by 1 1/4, and I was just showing you that I didn't distress the edges that are on the sides of the card. I only did the long up and bottom, and I did the same thing here on the zip strip, and the zip strip is also 4 1/4. So now that all of that is glued down, I'm going to go ahead and glue the composition background down. And I had a camera issue. I apologize. I thought I was turning it on. I was actually turning it off. So how I completed this little sentiment and made this ice cream cone for the doggy is I cut apart one of the stamp sets on the stamp of the month that said thanks, and then I'm adding so doggone sweet, and so thanks is at the top, so doggone sweet is at the bottom. And now in toffee ink I am stamping the little doggy. The words I stamped in charcoal on today's sample. My original I used sapphire ink, so it's up to you what you want to use. And now grab the ballerina ink, and I just want to show you, because we're not going to use the actual outline of the Edison bulb, but I'm using the back of the stamp. And I apologize, my camera then overheated. I was just having issues today. But you can stamp that back of that bulb and it gives you a nice ice cream shape, and then just cut a triangle out of cardstock. Right on your workshop guide are some hash lines. Stamp those in your toffee ink and you have your ice cream cone. Be sure to check out everybody else that's hopping along in this Twisted Sister. Like I said, Julie and Jessica both have some things that inspired my cards today, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.